artists, welcome back! Are you ready for some colorful fun today? We're going to draw 4 super cute hearts, each one in a different, bright, and happy color. Can you guess which colors we'll use? Stick around to find out. Oh, and don't forget, I love seeing your art too. Send me your drawings on Instagram, Facebook, or by email. All the links are down in the description. Maybe your art will be featured in one of our next videos. All right, so grab your crayons or markers and let's start drawing together. And remember to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you won't miss any of our colorful adventures. Let's get started. Time for the best part, coloring! Are you ready to bring our drawing to life with beautiful colors? Stay with me, because these colors are going to make everything look super fun and amazing. Let's see what magic we can create together. Let's start coloring! Liked it so far? Make sure to subscribe, give a like, and tap the bell so you won't miss the next videos. So far, make sure to subscribe, give a like, and tap the bell so you won't miss the next videos. subscribe, give a like, and tap the bell so you won't miss the next videos. Hearts are all done. Did you have fun coloring with me? I hope your hearts turned out super cute and full of love. I'd really love to see your amazing drawings, so don't forget to send them to me on Instagram, Facebook, or by email. All the links are in the description below. Who knows, your art might be featured in one of our upcoming videos. And before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. It really helps us grow our happy art family. See you next time for another fun and colorful drawing. Bye!